Welcome to building your brick dream home, Craftsman Edition. I'm here to provide some guidance on color, texture, mortar, and other design elements that'll help you achieve the Craftsman-style home of your dreams. Let's go. By using brick in a Craftsman design, you've already created a unique exterior thanks to brick's natural textures and edges. Smooth or distressed textures mixed with worn edges creates a centuries-old feel as seen in this home's design. Craftsman homes are known to feature a mix of exterior products, but the key to a truly inspiring finish is how those materials work together in the design. When brick is used as the dominant cladding material, like in this home, the appearance is instantly more eye-catching. Other materials can provide color, but few provide character. Let's talk about mortar. The color you choose can drastically change the appearance of a home. Since Craftsman exteriors are all about design versatility, mortar can dramatically enhance your home's appearance. Everest gray Tudor combined with black mortar, as seen on this home, results in a very bold and unforgettable design. Experiment with mortar joint styles like concave and grapevine to add extra character to the final appearance. Beyond colorways and textures, take your Craftsman design a step further by incorporating features like soldier coursing around windows and doors, or even the base of your home. These small considerations can do wonders to increase your curb appeal. I hope this has been helpful as you continue building your Craftsman home. If you have questions about our products, we're just a phone call away. From me and all of us at General Shell, thanks for watching and good luck building your dream home.